Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn sponsored content for B2B SEO authority, full guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn sponsored content for B2B SEO authority, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn page or your company's page. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to create sponsored content. Next, locate the work drop-down menu at the top of your homepage. Click on it and select Advertise from the options provided. If you have not set up an ad account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After setting up your ad account, go to the Campaign Manager. In the Campaign Manager, click on the Create Campaign button. Choose your campaign objective, focusing on engagement or website visits for B2B SEO aim. Select Sponsored Content as your ad format in the next step. Now, you can either create a new post or use an existing one for your sponsored content. Once you have selected or created your post, move on to the targeting section. Define your target audience based on their industry, job title, location, and other relevant demographics. Carefully segment your audience for optimal engagement and reach. Continue to the Budget and Schedule section. Set a daily or total budget based on your marketing goals. Define the duration for which you want your sponsored content to run. Review your campaign settings to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Then click on the Launch Campaign button to initiate your sponsored content. Monitor the performance of your campaign regularly through the Campaign Manager dashboard. Analyze key metrics such as engagement rates, clicks, and conversions to gauge effectiveness. Make adjustments as needed based on performance insights to improve B2B SEO authority. By consistently promoting high-quality content, you will establish authority within your niche on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.